Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Call me while drinking up the sunshine.
So for today is we're going to have a phone tour, and I can give you some productivity apps and I can give you some vital apps that you can use every single day. So before we start guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and hit thumbs up. So no more further ado, let's get into the video. So here's my phone guys. This is 7 Plus and this is all black. This is all black, and as you can see my case, this is just a DIY, and I have a separate video on how to do this, and I can give you phone case ideas there. So I just want the link down below. So I will just put the screen record here. So here's my lock screen, you guys. It says here that if creation syncs your places, so will I. And this is a live wallpaper, and the original of this video, it has a background music, but Apple didn't allow me to do that, so I just allow this. So this is my lock screen. And this is my home screen, and at the bottom there's a phone, WhatsApp, message, and FaceTime. I just put all green in the bottom, and I have this, I got this in Rigid Smith. This first page is yellow theme, so and I have a notes here and a battery percentage. And I have an orange here, like books, pages, GarageBand, iTunes U, Zinea, KineMaster, and Shopee. I recommend the Zinea. It's because this is about journals. Like you will put your plans there, to-do list, essential things you want to do. You will just put it out here. You can put some schedule. There's here like to do, something like that. I recommend that. Recommend this app. And this is yellow things, Snapchat, notes, and tips. And Chrome, reminders, contacts, calendar, photos, and home. And I have Snapchat. You can add me on Snapchat. So yeah, and I have weather out here. There. So let's proceed now to the second page, or the second screen right now. And this quote, I have in Rigid Smith here, and this I've got this quote on Pinterest, and it says that if you understood how much God loves you, you would break down and cry. This is me all the time. So I have File, Safari, App Store, Weather, Keynote, Zoom, Mail, and Facebook. So here's this third screen. I just put Bless out here, and I've got this on Pinterest, and I have utilities out here. I don't even know why I put utilities here. Maybe it's because the black and the red colors are, it's good in match. I have school stuff out here, Classroom Me, Gmail, Alarm Me, and I highly recommend this Alarm Me, you guys, because every time this alarm will alarm you every morning, it will give you some, it will give you missions. It will never stop. It will never stop if you didn't do your mission. It really wakes you up. So yeah, and I have this Bibles here. I use this every single day. I have Bible U version, Ask Pastor John, Daily Devotion, During Work, ESV Bible. I don't even know what it is I have here. So yeah, I have YouTube. Come on, subscribe now to YouTube. I have Netflix, music, We Heart It. I have collections there, all about just Bible journaling collections there. And I have YouTube Studio, Pinterest, Melodista, Fonto. I have Instagram, you guys. You can follow me. This is my ministry account, and you can go to my main account. I'm not too good in creating a feed, so yeah, feel free to follow. And I have the dog and me. This is Mayo, and I miss a lot. I miss the dog. So the next page is this black theme. I have a wallet here, but sadly I don't have money. And clock. I have Apple TV, and I even didn't use the 1-year free trial, so maybe I can use it later. And I have watch. I don't have an Apple Watch, but I have a watch. And I have stocks here, and this translate. I have this TikTok. Come on, follow my TikTok, you guys. There's my TikTok. And I have camera. And I have a verse of the day. This is YouVersion app. So you can download the YouVersion app. And this is the next page, the next screen. I didn't even know what's the theme out of here because the white and the violet and the blue are mixing all around here. So, but I can say that this is violet theme because there's so many violet icons out here. So yeah. And I have settings here: fonts, prequel, unfold, Apple Store, clips, shortcuts, ASMR slicing. ASMR slicing is I just use this when I'm bored because it's kind of satisfying if you play this game. And I have PixArt, Messenger, iTunes, Podcast, iMovie, Scan, and Canva Story, Lightroom, and Widget Smith. And I have a podcast here, and I'm currently listening to Sadie Robertson podcast, and I love her so much. Like, he is full of wisdom, so you can follow her podcast. Next is this green theme. Okay, it's all match. So I have maps here, numbers, find my flux pH here. And I use this not for ordering, but I use this for having a idea on what I'm going to buy next, because I'm really stuck on strawberries like this. I always bought this strawberries and cream frappuccino, like as always, and I want to try another menu they have. So yeah. And then I love their food there. Like, bro, you better try their cookies. Their cookies is really good. Their cookies, and I really love this blueberry-licious cheesecake. Like, it has a good taste, you guys. Recommend this. Okay, done with this. And this is my app library. So here's my app library. And I love this. You are so loved. Always remember that you are so loved. So I think that's all, you guys. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share this with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. And I hope that this video helps you, and thank you so much, guys. See you to my next video. Bye for now.